registration. Over 3 months now, SIM registration has been suspended by the NCC for a reason that is not cogent enough. They said that it is because of the NIN linking with mobile numbers, that is the reason for the SIM registration. However, we as citizens feel that they are short-changing us. They are depriving us of the right to purchase SIM card. Because if you are saying that it is because of NIN linking, you can say, okay, let citizens present their NIN number at the point of SIM registration. Then why are they depriving us of our rights? Apart, we that are citizens that they are depriving, they have made over 5 million Nigerians jobless. People that serve as a SIM registration agents that enter SIM sales, they have been jobless for over 3 months. What were the preparation for these people that they have made jobless? This is the reason why we have come out in our numbers today to protest. However, this is just a litmus test. We are not just protesting, we are not resting on our horse. If they refuse to listen to our demands, we shall litter this city of Abuja. We shall occupy all regional offices of the NCC nationwide. We shall litter the offices of the Honorable Minister for Communication and Digital Economy. And we shall litter Abuja. We shall take Abuja by storm in protest, because enough is enough. They cannot render our people jobless and will stay alone. They cannot be depriving us of the right to purchase and register SIM card and we will not stay alone. That is why we are saying enough is enough. That is why we are coming in our large number today. This movement, we are saying restore SIM card. We are calling on the federal government. It is an appeal. What we are saying is, kindly prevail on NCC. Let them restore SIM registration so that things can be well with us. So that our brothers who portions as SIM registration agents can go back to their work. So that we can go free. We can buy new phone. We can buy new SIM card with communities. You cannot deprive us of the right of communication. That you have said that we stop purchasing SIM card, that means you are depriving our right of communication, which is not good for us as citizens. That is why we are protesting. It is no more than that. Thank you.
Another person.